Minasan konnichiwa and welcome back to Language Script Academy. Today, we're going to learn another set of 5 hiragana characters, ha, hi, hu, he, and ho. Let's look at the chart. And here they are. Ha is written using 3 strokes. Hi and he with only 1 stroke each. And finally, we have the final 2 characters written using 4 strokes, ho and hu, which, yes, it's pronounced hu and not hu. Let's start with ha. You begin with an open parentheses ending with the tail, just like in ni from our previous lesson. Then you draw a shorter horizontal line. Then you draw a longer straight vertical line across and end in a curl. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Ha. It's very important to note that the character ha is also pronounced as wa when used as a topic marker. The best example for this is the greeting konnichiwa, which is hello or good day. Although the last syllable is pronounced wa, the writing is actually ha. Now that we got that out of the way, let's write some examples. Hana means flower, and it also means nose. Hachi means the number 8. It can also mean bee, as in the insect. Hana, hachi. Next is hi, a smooth and elegant character with just 1 stroke. You begin with a short line that goes diagonally upwards, then a curve that dips down and then sweeps upward to the right, ending with another line. Let's write it again. Hi. Here are a few examples. Hito means person. Hikui means low. Hito, hikui. Next character is fu, one of the rare 4-stroke characters with a very unique shape. You start by drawing separate diagonal lines on the left and right side, then draw a horizontal line on the top that slightly bends, and finally you draw a vertical line that ends in a hook towards the bottom. That is fu. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here are a few examples. Fuku means clothing, and fune means boat. 服 船. Next is he, a very simple character with only one stroke. First, you draw an upward diagonal stroke rising slightly from left to right. Then, while still holding the pen, you draw a longer line in an angle downward to the right, kind of like an almost upside down L. It's very important to note that he is used as a directional particle which marks the destination or direction of movement. Although written he, it is pronounced e when used as a particle. Here's an example using the character he. Heta means unskilled or bad at something. And finally, we have ho, which has 4 strokes. The good news with this character is that it's exactly the same as ha, but with one extra horizontal line. So we start with an open parenthesis with the tail underneath. Then, at the upper side of it, you draw the first horizontal line. Then, a second one underneath it, just like an equal sign. And lastly, you strike through these 2 lines with a vertical line downward, ending in a curl. That is ho. Let's try it once again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For comparison, this is ha, and this is ho. Ha, ho. Here are a few examples. Hoshi means star, and hoshii means to want. Hoshi, hoshii. Let's review the characters from today's lesson. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Great job today. You've now learned another full set of hiragana characters. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to continue learning with me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Mata ne.